गुड डे एवरीवन। सो वेलकम टू ट्रेडिंग शिक्षा। आई होप आप लोग की ट्रेडिंग जर्नी अच्छी चल रही होगी। विथ ऑल आवर एफर्ट्स एंड डेडिकेशन हमने काफ़ी सिस्टम्स आप लोग के साथ शेयर किए हैं आज तक। एंड जिसकी एक्यूरेसी आपने देखी है, हमारी लर्निंग और हमारी अंडरस्टैंडिंग जो भी हम किसी भी मीडियम से शेयर करते हैं, हम हमेशा उसको बैक करते हैं अपने सिस्टम्स के थ्रू। एंड हमारे सिस्टम्स जो हैं वो प्योरली हमारी अंडरस्टैंडिंग पे बने हुए हैं, हमारे R&D पे बने हुए होते हैं। इसको हम खुद भी पर्सनली यूज़ करते हैं एंड हमारा कन्विक्शन है। इसी वजह से हम इसको पब्लिक डोमेन पे भी शेयर करते हैं, बिकॉज हम चाहते हैं जो हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं उनको किसी भी तरह का कोई संकोच ना हो कि किस तरह से काम होगा। सो उनके लिए एक आई ओपनिंग है, उनके लिए एक कन्विक्शन बूस्टर का काम भी करता है कि अगर जो चीज हम थ्योरी में देखते हैं और वो प्रैक्टिकली मार्केट में हो रहा है, एंड प्रैक्टिकली होने के साथ वो आपको एक हेल्पिंग हैंड, एक सपोर्ट, एक बैकअप सिस्टम का भी काम करके दे रहा है, तो उससे आपका कन्विक्शन काफ़ी स्ट्रांग हो जाता है। एंड मार्केट में प्रॉफिट्स के लिए, ट्रेडिंग के लिए जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ मैटर करती है वो है आपकी कन्विक्शन। बिकॉज कन्विक्शन जो होती है वो मार्केट हमसे कहीं ना कहीं छीनने की कोशिश करता है। हमारे स्टॉप लॉस जाते हैं, ट्रेल होता है, स्टॉप लॉस हंटिंग की जाती है। तो इसमें जब एक ट्रेडर बाहर हो जाता है ट्रेड से, तो उसमें सिर्फ उसका स्टॉप लॉस ही नहीं जाता है, उसकी कन्विक्शन जाती है। एंड कन्विक्शन लाना एंड गैदर करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है। एंड इसी की वजह से हमने अपने सिस्टम्स भी दिए हैं, ताकि जो चीज़ें हम बताते हैं, जो चीज़ें हम शेयर करते हैं, जो थॉट प्रोसेस हमारा है, वो हमारे सिस्टम्स में दिखता है। एंड जब वो सिस्टम के थ्रू और उस पर जब मार्केट चलता है, तो उस पर जो कन्विक्शन आती है वो अनपैरेलल होती है। तो चलिए देखने समझने की कोशिश करते हैं कैसे काम हुआ और आगे क्या लगता है। आज की वीडियो में इसको देखेंगे कुछ स्टॉक्स, कमोडिटी एंड इंडेक्सेस में। तो चलिए फिर स्टार्ट करते हैं। अभी आप लोग के स्क्रीन पे जो खुला हुआ है वो निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी का आज का इंट्राडे का चार्ट है। जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर 15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम का चार्ट यहाँ पर प्लॉटेड है। उसमें हमने अपना ECG का सिस्टम प्लॉट किया हुआ है। दिस इज द इंट्राडे सिस्टम। एंड आप देख सकते हो आज 26 थी। मार्केट यहाँ पर ओपन होता है एग्जैक्टली हमारे ब्रेकआउट और ब्रेकडाउन जोन के बीच में। यहाँ पर एक बड़ी सी कैंडल बनती है, बट प्राइस ने एक बार भी इसके नीचे वैलिड क्रॉसओवर नहीं दिया। यानी फ्रॉम द वेरी फर्स्ट गो अगर आप देखोगे, देयर वाज नो सिग्नल टुवर्ड्स द डाउन साइड। यहाँ पर एक अच्छा खासा हमको ऊपर की तरफ मूव देखने को मिला। प्राइस जब ऊपर आता है तो हमको पता है ब्रेकआउट देने के बाद रीटेस्ट करता है, जैसे कि हमने आज तक कई सारी टेक्निकल एनालिसिस की बुक में भी पढ़ा होगा कि कोई भी रेजिस्टेंस है उस पर प्राइस ब्रेकआउट देगा, रीटेस्ट करेगा एंड फिर आगे मूव करेगा। ये लेवल्स वो हैं जो हम आपके साथ मार्केट खुलने के पहले शेयर करते हैं। और आप देखोगे यहाँ पर एग्जैक्टली मार्केट ने एक मूव दिया। PRZ जो हमारा एक पोटेंशियल रिवर्सल जोन होता है उसको क्रॉस किया। क्रॉस करने के बाद यहाँ पर उसने एक रीटेस्ट किया। एंड रीटेस्ट के बाद हमको एक मूव देखने को मिला। मूव आता कहाँ तक है? वो आता है फर्स्ट साइकिल के टारगेट तक। फर्स्ट साइकिल का टारगेट भी वो टारगेट है जो हमने आपके साथ सुबह मार्केट खुलने के पहले शेयर किया था। ये वो लेवल्स हैं जो हम अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग से कैलकुलेट करते हैं एंड मार्केट खुलने के पहले आपके साथ शेयर करते हैं। मार्केट उसको टू द कोर ऑनर करता आया है और आप देख सकते हो आज भी उसने किस तरह से उस पर काम किया। अब बात करते हैं बैंक निफ्टी की। तो बैंक निफ्टी में भी आप देखोगे प्राइस खुलता है एग्जैक्टली अपने ब्रेकआउट और ब्रेकडाउन जोन के नीचे। यहाँ पर हमको एक बार एक नीचे की तरफ मूव देखने को मिला। एंड इसमें आप कह सकते हो कि कहीं ना कहीं ऑपरेटर ने आज बहुत अच्छी ट्रैपिंग भी की है। बिकॉज यहाँ पर 15 मिनट का ORB कह लीजिए, 30 मिनट का ORB कह लीजिए, दोनों ही ब्रेक हुए। बट उसके बाद भी एक हमको रिवर्सल मूव देखने को मिला। ऑल्दो एक बार जब ये सपोर्ट जोन के ऊपर आ गया था तो कहीं ना कहीं हमारी कन्विक्शन यही थी कि अब मार्केट या तो साइडवेज या ऊपर की तरफ रहेगा। बहुत ज्यादा ऊपर तो नहीं जा पाया, लेकिन आप देखोगे मार्केट ने यहाँ तक गया। बट जो सबसे अच्छी बात थी वो ये थी कि एग्जैक्टली लेवल टू लेवल मूव आया। एंड उसने PRZ को क्रॉस नहीं कर पाया, एग्जैक्टली PRZ के रेजिस्टेंस पे हो रहा। एक्सपायरी का डे था बट स्टिल आप देख सकते हो PRZ के रेजिस्टेंस को उसने फुल्ली ऑनर किया। लास्ट में ये छोटा सा एडजस्टमेंट मूव था, अदरवाइज मोर और लेस क्लोज भी PRZ के आसपास ही हमको देखने को मिला। नाउ मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज कि ये जो 2 दिन में मूव आया है, इस मूव को कैप्चर कैसे किया जाए, इस मूव को ट्रेड कैसे किया जाए। तो अगर आप लोग में से जो भी हमारे साथ हमारे ऑफिशियल टेलीग्राम चैनल पे जुड़े हुए हैं, उन्होंने 2 दिन पहले मैंने एक वीडियो शेयर की थी। दिस वाज शेयर्ड ऑन 24th of June। और जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर द टाइम इज 9 o'clock एंड दिस इज द फर्स्ट कैंडल। जब ये कैंडल बन रही थी तब ये वीडियो हमने रिकॉर्ड की थी एंड इस वीडियो को हमने हमारे ऑफिशियल टेलीग्राम चैनल पे देखा, डाला था। आप यहाँ पर हमारा एनालिसिस सुन सकते हैं। मैं इसको एक बार प्ले कर देता हूँ। टाइम, देन वी विल टेक आवर एंट्री। So in Nifty also we can see that we got a opening here and exactly it touched here at 23,359, and we have already seen a pullback of around 50-60 points from there. So this zone, because this is the first time when the price is actually coming to the 1 hour timing zone. Now, after the fall during that election euphoria, this was the move here. And after this, this is the first time it is coming and testing this zone. And we can see the kind of reaction it is taking. Similarly, in Bank Nifty also, the same thing can be expected. We'll wait for the price to come, but in Nifty, it has already come and it has already gone up. So we were discussing about this during the weekend also, and it has performed really. Thank you. So this was the video we had shared on 24th of June, that why 23,356, as you can see here, is very crucial. And if I'll take you to the chart directly also, you can see what happened here is that when the price actually came here to this zone. Now what I'll do is I'll switch off the indicator here. If I'll put say a simple line here. So this is a horizontal line. Now this was 356. Okay. Okay. So somewhere here, and if we go to the smaller time frame, then what you can see on 24th of uh, June, exactly on 24th of June. Yes. So I think it is now clear. And the level was 23,356, somewhere here. So what we can do is we can just change it here. Yes. So you can see this was the level, and exactly price opened here, went up, and again it came down to give us an entry at 940. 940, it gave us an entry here, and from here we can see what a phenomenal move market has given us. I'll again take you to the 1 hour chart, and I'll also show you the another video that we had shared, and this was shared on 25th, that is yesterday. This was 24th June, this is 25th June, and you can see this one. Hi, so this is a Nifty 1 hour chart, and as we had discussed yesterday, you can see here, this was the zone where we had taken our entry here before, just at market opening, we had given a video in which we had discussed why 23,356 is very crucial. On the hourly chart, we got an entry here, and then what a phenomenal move we have seen from here. Roughly around 300 plus points have been captured, and we have still not taken an exit on the swing trade we have taken from here. If we consider Bank Nifty, again, the same thing we had discussed for Bank Nifty also yesterday. And here you can see we got an entry here, and more than 1,000 points have been we have been riding in this swing call here. It has been working phenomenally. Even the smaller time frame, like 5 minute and all time cycle, is also going on very well. So you can see this was the time cycle candle here today. This was 11:20 candle. Now at 11:20 candle, you can see that the low is not yet broken, but the high got breached at this point somewhere. Yeah. Okay. Here, after that, we got an entry here, and exactly from this candle high, exactly from this point, you can see this move came. And what a phenomenal move. It has been around 100 points move from here in a very small time. So this is how, this is where options make a lot of money. And very, very good move captured both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, uh, even from the intraday time cycle. So you can see how well they have performed. Now what ahead? If I take you ahead, now इसके आगे क्या लगता है उसको हम भी देखने की कोशिश करते हैं. So I'll simply take you to the 1 hour chart. I'll again plot my indicator here. So what we can see here is that we have certain levels here. And in these levels right now, we are at this stage. So right now, there was a hurdle at 23,714, as you can see, and this level has been taken out. So now our immediate next target is at 24,024. This is our immediately next target. You can take it as a 24,000 round level also. So in case we get a good opening, then we can aim for this target going forward. So we have already captured a 500 plus points move if we get this target. Right now we are running at around 300 to 400 points profit. So this is just in a span of 2 days. Before the entry, we made the video both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty also, you can see it's been almost 2,000 points. So before it came down here, we made the video, and it came, gave us an entry here, and now we are almost riding to this level. And as you can see, our levels are here today. This level 52,901 was a potential stopping zone, and it stopped here. But tomorrow, if we get a good move above this, a valid cross above this, then our next target is 53,360. Now I'll take you to the chart of Reliance. If you see, it has given us a phenomenal move. So this was the second cycle target and it was achieved phenomenally well. I can show you a demo of this if you want. So at 9:15, the price opened, and at this point of time, the first cycle of our ECG was plotted. And as the price went up, it changed to the second cycle. So I'll just make it a bit faster here. So yeah, so this was our ECG system. It was plotted before market opening, as you can see here, and this is how it went. So here it went to PRZ, stopped here, then broke PRZ, again took a retest here, and then the first cycle target was achieved. Once it was achieved, we got the second cycle here. Okay. And you can see, okay, I'll just pause it. It has already crossed the chart here. Yeah. So you can see the second cycle also, and it went up to the target, and here the target was achieved. So this is how Reliance performed today. Reliance has been performing really well. There is a positional target we had given long time back of 3026, and the target is achieved today. But here we can expect a good move if it sustains and sustains the 3000 level, because this has been acting as a very strong barrier. Rest our time cycle is there and we are using it to trade it further. Bitcoin, if some of you are trading in Bitcoin, you can see it has been working really well with our time trading tool. We got a classic sell opportunity in Bitcoin here. I'll just take you here. It was at 69,000 levels. So we got a sell over here, and from this level itself, we can see it has been flowing like water, in fact, and we have got a fall of around 10,000 points. First, we got a support here at around 64,000. But once this 64,000 was broken, it was straight till 59,000. So from 69,000 to 59,000 on 15-minute time frame, you can see we have got a classic move of 10,000 points even on Bitcoin. Now going ahead, okay, this is 1 hour chart. So on 1 hour chart, we are doing it. Now going ahead, you can see the candles have changed color now, and we are approaching the zone here, the timing zone. So in until this level is held, that is 60,700. If this level is held, then you can expect the immediate target of 63,000. So I'm giving you my analysis here on this. What I foresee, that from 60, if the 60,700 level is held, then 63,000 is a quick possibility on Bitcoin right now. Finally, we'll go to a chart check of HDFC Bank, as most of us are thinking कि HDFC Bank में एक अच्छा breakout है, and HDFC Bank has been working phenomenally well. In the month of May, we had taken a position at 1448 in HDFC Bank, and it has given us a phenomenal move here. But if I take you here, what is happening as per the ECG chart? So if you, अगर आप इसको ध्यान से देखोगे, this is the positional ECG chart here, in which you can see when the month opened, it went to the PRZ of the first cycle, and from there it has achieved the first cycle target. Right now it is at the breakout zone of second cycle, यानी कि second cycle में जाने के लिए अभी ये wait कर रहा है. But the thing is that today is 26th of June, and in 2 days these levels would become obsolete because we'll have fresh levels for the month of July. So we need to see how it goes. But here, what you can see is, if you are considering that it is under a very mega breakout thing, then I'll just quickly show you my long-term positional levels in HDFC Bank. So these are my 2024 long-term positional levels for HDFC Bank. As you can see, it says ECG highly positional. So the year started, these are the levels which is valid for the whole year. So what you can see here is that, I'll just take a marker. So this is the place where we started the year, and you can see there was a breakdown. यहाँ पर एक breakdown आया था. After the breakdown, the price went down and it went exactly and touched our first cycle target on the highly positional level. So our highly positional level was 1363, as you can see here. This is our highly positional level. The highly positional levels are shared on 31st of December for the whole year. Now here the low created by HDFC Bank is also 1363. So what you can do here, you can just have a look at this box. So when I place my cursor here, when the low was created, you can see the level is 1363.55. And this is the exact low that was created as per our ECG, which was shared with everybody on 31st of December. And the low took place on 12th of February. And this is the annual level. This will not change throughout the year. The price is respecting it so well. Now it has gone up again from here because this acts as a classic support. But if it has to outperform, and it has to go bullish from here, then the major hurdle now is at 1760. So this is the breakout zone for the entire year. So if it has to outperform this year, first it has to give us a valid close above 1760. If 1760 is taken out, our first cycle target would be 2055. But here there would be a PRZ zone, as we all know, 1840 to 1877. So you can take a note of these levels. As you can see, they have been working with a precision of 1 rupee even on the highly volatile counter like HDFC Bank. So even on HDFC Bank, you can see with 1 rupee precision, our levels have worked phenomenally well. Now we are waiting for a breakout above 1760 to take a very positive position in HDFC Bank going forward. Although we are riding it since 1448 in the month of May when we had shared it on our channel also. So I hope these levels are beneficial for you and you can take it forward from here. So most of the things I've covered, I've given you the targets for Nifty for tomorrow also. And in case we get a good opening, then 24 or roughly 24,000 round figure, you can take it as a good target. Any further move ahead would be beyond that. And I can also give you another level that is 24,390 is my immediate target above 24,000. In case it crosses that, then there may be a huge amount of short covering from the call writers. And in case it comes, then my target is 24,390 on the upside, which is supposedly the next GAN level also, and we have seen how well it has worked. The earlier level had worked phenomenally well, and above that now this is the next GAN level also, which would be acting as my next target. So tomorrow we are having monthly expiry for Nifty. Use the monthly expiry setup to trade Nifty. We'll be using it. And in case there is something interesting coming up, we'll post it. We'll be also posting हम अपने official channel पे कल Nifty and Bank Nifty का, especially Nifty का because monthly expiry day है. We'll be giving you the intraday ECG levels. जिस तरह से आज इसने काम किया, so we'll share the ECG levels here. जिस तरह से ये आज काम हुआ, so कल के ECG levels क्या होंगे निफ्टी के, उसको हम आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे हमारे ऑफिशियल चैनल पे, जिसका लिंक इस वीडियो में है. सो इन केस यू आर नॉट देयर ऑन द चैनल, यू कैन ज्वाइन एंड यू कैन have a look and benefit from it. So thank you all for joining and listening, and we'll come up with more content soon. Thank you.